हेलो फ्रेंड्स। ऑनलाइन ट्रेनिंग ऑन मीडिया एंड इंफॉर्मेशन लिटरेसी इस एक्टिविटी की जो क्वेश्चंस हैं, एमसीक्यू मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस, उसको आज हम इस वीडियो के माध्यम से लेके आए हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इसमें हमारा है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए पोटेंशियल इथिकल्स कंसर्ट्स इन्फ्लुएंसर मार्केटिंग। सही आंसर, इन्फ्लुएंस प्रमोटिंग प्रोडक्ट दे डू नॉट एक्चुअली यूज और बिलीव इन। सेकंड क्वेश्चन है हमारा, व्हाट डज प्रोजेक्ट बेस्ड लर्निंग इन मीडिया लिटरेसी इन्वॉल्व्स। हैंड्स ऑन एक्टिविटी दैट इन्वॉल्व्स मीडिया क्रिएशन एंड एनालिसिस। थ्री अटेम्प्ट्स होते हैं इसमें, हमारे तीनों ही अटेम्प्ट्स के यहाँ पर क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं इस वीडियो में। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट डज प्रोक्सिमिटी रेफर्स टू इन न्यूज रिपोर्टिंग। सही आंसर है, गिविंग मोर कवरेज टू इवेंट्स क्लोजर टू द ऑडियंस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, हाउ बिग इज द मीडिया एंड एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री इन इंडिया। सही आंसर है, 255,000 करोड़। नेक्स्ट आंसर है, व्हाट इज द मोस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट चैलेंज ऑफ डिटेक्टिंग बेस इन मीडिया। सही आंसर है, मीडिया बेस कैन ऑफ्टन अलाइन with the personal beliefs, making it less noticeable. Next, what message does advertisement often convey that contributes to materialistic value? Say answer, to success is measured by the accumulation of material goods. Next question है, which of the following is an example of media manipulation? Say answer, using this table headline to attract attention. Next question है, what does it mean to engage in selective media consumption? सही आंसर है, filtering out low quality or irrelevant content. Next question है, the modules media students believe media literacy developed by CBSE. सही आंसर है, grade 6 to 8. Next question है, which of the following is a common persuasive technique used in advertising? सही आंसर है, using emotional appeal to connect with the audience. Next question है, which of the following ensure trust and credibility in a news reporting? सही answer है, presenting unbiased and reliable news. Next question है, how might an advertisement create a sense of exclusivity to appeal to status conscious consumer? सही answer है, by limiting the availability of the product and labeling it as a limited edition. Next question है, which of the following is an outcome of practicing NVC in media related discussions? Next सही आंसर है इसका, constructive and empathic dialogues. Next question है, which section newspaper typically feature opinion piece? सही आंसर है, OPED section. Next question है, which of the following is a common tactic using a clickbait headline? सही आंसर है, using exaggerated or sensational language. Next question है, which of the following is a principle of non-violent communication? सही आंसर है, empathetic listening. Next question है, why is it important to evaluate the credibility of media sources? सही आंसर, to ensure the information is reliable and trustworthy. Next question है, where can you complain about the misleading advertisement? सही आंसर है, Advertising Standard Council of India. Next question है, what role does culture awareness play in media literacy? सही आंसर है, it enables the understanding and application of device culture's perspective in media connected. Next question है, which country has the highest number of internet users? सही आंसर है, China. Next question है, which country has the world largest printing media market? सही आंसर है, India. Next question है, which of the following is not components of non-violent communication? सही आंसर है, judgment. Next, what is the benefit of incorporating real life scenarios in media literacy education? सही आंसर है, it making learning relevant to the current media landscape. Next question, what is the impact of media convergence of media literacy? सही आंसर है, it necessitated new literacy skills to navigate the blending of different media forms. Next question, why is the listing important of in non-violent communication? Say answer, to understand the other person feeling and needs. Next question, in non-violent communication, what does the feeling components involve? Say answer, expressing emotions related to an observation. Next question है, why is the continuous learning important in media literacy? सही answer है, it allow the media user to keep up the changing technology and trends. Next question है, when evaluating the credibility of a media sources, which of the following is most critical? Say answer, the historical accuracy and transparency of the sources. Next question, what does news refer to? Say answer, any current events, public interest. Next question, why is news literacy increasingly important in the digital age? Say answer, misinformation spread rapidly. ये थे हमारे 30 क्वेश्चंस. स्कोर आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं. फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट, सेकेंड अटेम्प्ट. What is the primary goal of media literacy? Say answer, to access, analysis, evaluate, and create the media responsibility. Next question, why is the understanding the platform very important in media literacy? Say answer, it enable understanding how different platforms and media content. Next question, which of the following is an example of media manipulation? Say using the sensitive headline to attract the attention. Next question, what is the most significant challenge of detecting based in media? See answer, a media as can be often aligned with personal benefit, making it less notifiable. Next question है, think critically and click visually is the book published by? सही answer है, UNESCO. Next question है, why is the listing important in non-violent type communication? सही answer, to understand the other person feeling and needs. Next question, which of the following is a common tactic used in clickbait headlines? सही answer, using the explicit or sensational in language. Next question है, what challenge does information overload pose in the digital age? Say answer, over and people's making it hard to distinguish reliable sources. Next question है, in non-violent communication, what does the feeling components involve? Say answer, expressing emotion related to an observation. Next, which of the following is a principle of non-violent communication? Say answer, repeated listing. Next question, why is the continuous learning important in media literacy? Say answer, it allow the media user to keep up with the changing technology and trends. Next question, what role does cultural awareness play in media literacy? Say answer, it enables the understanding and application of devices, culture, perspectives in media content. Next question, how might an advertisement create a sense of exclusive to appeal to status conscious consumers? Say answer, by limiting the availability to the product and labeling it is the limited edition. Next question, which section newspaper typically feature opinion piece? Say answer, OPED section. Next question, which of the following ensure trust and credibility in news reporting? Say answer, representing unbiased and reliable news. Next question है, why the important to evaluate the credibility of media resources? Say answer, to ensure the information is reliable and true trust. Next question है यहाँ पर हमारा, which skill involves the reflecting on new how the media influences personal beliefs and public opinion? Say answer, reflecting on media usage. Next question है, according to which theory media audience are passive and the media effects indirect and powerful? Say answer, magic bullet theory. Next question है, what is the main role of product placement in media? Say answer, to subtly promotion products by placing them within the entertainment content. Next question, how many community radio stations are there in India? Say answer, 500. Next question, which of the following is a potential concerts influencer marketing? Say answer, influencer promoting products they do not actually use or believe in. Next question, which of the following is not a components of non-violent communication? NYC. Say answer, judgment. Next question, which of the following is a common persuasive technique used in advertising? Say answer, using emotional appeal to connect with the audience. Next question, which of the following is an outcome of practicing NVC in media related discussion? Say answer, constructive and empathetic dialogues. Next question, how can you identify headlines that the likely clip? But say answer, it promised secret to exclusive information. Next question है when evaluating the credibility of the media sources, which of the following is the most critical? Say answer the historical accuracy and transparency of the sources. Next question, which of the what is the um, benefit of incorrupting of real life scenarios in media literacy education? Say answer it makes the learning relevant to the current media landscape. Next question है how big the media and entertainment industry in India? सही answer है 255 crore thousands crore. Next question है what does the mixed refers in news reporting? सही answer giving more coverage to events closer to the audience. यहाँ 30 क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट हो गए सेकेंड अटेम्प्ट के आप रिजल्ट चेक कर सकते हैं नेक्स्ट थर्ड अटेम्प्ट what is the most significant challenge of detecting play? Is in media say answer media base can often align with the personal beliefs making it less noticeable. Next question which of the following is a common pressure technique using in advertising? Say answer using emotional appeal to connect with the audience. Next question why is the continuous learning important? Media literacy? Say answer it allow media users to keep up with changing technology and trends. Next question how big the media and entertainment industry in India? Say answer to 55,000 crore. Next question how many community radio stations are there in India? Say answer 500. Next question thinking critically and click visually in the book published by Science UNESCO. Next question can you complain about misleading advertisement? Say answer advertising standard council of India. Next question which of the following is an example of media manipulation? Say answer uses headline to attract the attention. Next question which country has the world largest print media market? Say answer India. Next question which of the following is a strategy to improve advertising literacy? Say answer learning to recognizing common advertising technique. Next question and the modules media studies being media literacy developed CBSE is introduced at what level? Say answer grade 6 to 8. Next question what does the missing cage insensitive media consumption? Say answer filtering out low quality or irrelevant content. Next question which section in newspaper typically feature opinion piece? Say answer OPED section. Next question how can you identify a headline that is likely clickbait? Say answer it promised secret or exclusive information. Next question what does the primacy refer in news reporting? Say answer giving more coverage to India closer to the audience. Next question which of the following is a potential culture concerns influencer marketing? Say answer influencer promoting products they do not actually use or believe in. Next question what does the observation in NBC E focus on? Say answer static focus without adding interpretation. Next question how might the an advertising meant create a sense exclusive to appeal to status consumers? Say answer by limiting the availability to the product and leading it is the limited edition. Next question this psychological technique is often used in advertising to create false needs? Say answer fear of missing out. Next question what is the primary goal of media literacy? Say answer to access analysis evaluate and create media responsibility. Next question which of the following is a principle of non-violent communication? Say answer listing. Next question how what does project based learning media literacy involve? Say answer hand on activity that involves media creating and analysis. Next question which of the following ensure trust and credibility in news reporting? Say answer presenting unbased and reliable news. Next question what is the benefit of incorrupting real life in media literacy education? Say answer it make the learning relevant to the current media landscape. Next question why is the listing important? Non-violent communication? Say answer to understand other people feeling and needs. Next question which country has the largest number of internet users? Say answer China. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है व्हाट रोल्स ऑफ कल्चर अवेयरनेस प्ले इन मीडिया लिटरेसी, सही आंसर है इट इनेबल द अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ डिवाइस a culture perspective in media content. Next question है which of the following is a common form base and advertising, since providing and consumers overall competing products. What is the likely characters of credible news publications? सही आंसर है हमारा sensational headline. Next question है what which of the following is not a key aspect in news literacy? सही आंसर understanding how news is created. ये थे हमारे 30 क्वेश्चन 30 अटेम्प्ट के। ये थे हमारे क्वेश्चंस ऑनलाइन ट्रेनिंग ऑफ मीडिया एंड इंफॉर्मेशन लिटरेसी से संबंधित 3 अटेम्प्ट्स के क्वेश्चंस थे। यहाँ पर 3 अटेम्प्ट्स आपने देख लिए हैं, सभी क्वेश्चंस हमारे यहाँ पर करेक्ट थे। अब इसको वीडियोस को देख के उसमें क्वेश्चंस को देख के आप अपनी जो क्विज को है कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं इजीली। थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग माय वीडियोस। दीक्षा ऐप से रिलेटेड और भी क्विज आगे आती है तो उसके वीडियो के लिए आप चैनल पे आप चेक कर सकते हैं हर फ्राइडे को। थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग माय वीडियो।